Good morning. Okay, now what is it gonna be here on the table? What am I gonna cook today? Did I just accidentally turn off the lights? Yep. No matter. Sophie must have accidentally. Of course, the lights are upstairs. Okay, now I'm gonna cook right there on the table on the other side. At least I removed my makeup sticks here, and now I'm gonna cook right here. And I think they baked something. Ooh, it's so wonderful. Okay, here's one cupcake. There. And then here's another cupcake. Now I'm gonna cook something else. Cool. Such amazing colors. Yummy food. Okay, that looks so yummy. Now, I'll get some drinks. And here's the soup. What's going on with this? What's going on with the soup here? This soup sure is a little lumpy. Let's put it under the table. Put it under there. Now fix this cupcake so that they don't fall. And this burger. There we go. Okay. I've got here a big cup, and it even has juice in it. Let me get a juice. Here's one juice. It's so cool and it even has a straw. Oh, there's apple juice. Then choose. I guess that's the breakfast. Let's fill this big cup. There. Okay, girls. It's time. It's time to wake up and let's go have breakfast now. Okay. Sophie, I know you're in Soph's room. Come on. Sophie, it's time for breakfast. Sophie, where are you, Sophie? It's too early. Sophie, come on. Sophie. Oh, okay. Sophie, I'm here, Mom. Okay, I need you to paint the wall, but first, we need to eat breakfast. Can you please call Soph? Okay, Soph, wake up, Soph. I'm already coming down. Good, Soph. Good. Okay, I'm here. So, wow, the breakfast looks so awesome. I'm starving and thirsty, so I gotta eat now. Ouch! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay with that part. Okay, yummy. These are yummy, yummy food. I knew you would like it. Okay, I'll save some breakfast for me. Sure, we will. These are yummy food. Yum, 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 yum. So cool. I like this hamburger. So good. Thank you for liking my food. Of course. We always like your food, Mom. Okay, I'm eating this gold pineapple. It even tastes good. Yummy. I even like this cupcake. I know Pinkie Pie likes cupcakes, but I don't like it when she got Rainbow Dash. Me either. That's the scariest part ever. But I made my own story in my own diary. Good. Let's just see the part 2. I mean the next part. Bye.